Hi guys, good morning, and I'm welcoming you to this video for this week. I'm glad you're joining me this week for this video. And like that, October is coming to an end. This is the third week of October, or if I'm correct, this should be the third week in October. And yeah, we are not even close to our goal, our targets for October, but we move. Our first week in October, we had about 98 pips in loss. And last week, we were able to close about 134 pips in profit. So this is another week for us again to explore and to leverage. We are not under pressure where we are going to keep targeting our goals. So if we don't meet the goal in October, we are targeting another one for November and December and January, and every month comes with a new goal, and we keep moving, we keep pushing, we keep making sure that we are learning and we are getting better by the day. So the most important thing is that as you're trading, you are learning, you are knowing how to trade better, you are learning how to trade better, and you understand how things work. So in this video, of course, this is our weekly analysis video. So basically this video, we're going to do the analysis of the market, and we're going to see what we should expect for this week, opportunities that wait for us this week, and how we can leverage for this week and increase our profits for this week. So let's move on to our market analysis, and let's see how we can notice the things we need this week. So start with crude oil. Let us start once again from the crude oil market. So let's see how the crude oil is going to play out for this week. The crude oil sold off a little bit last week, and then bounced off again around the support level. And let's remove this. Now, this is the resistance level we have. It has respected it around here, So let's see if what will happen if it will break or reject around this level once again. So basically on crude oil, you are just waiting for the market to get to this resistance level. Now we're going to decide if we are selling or we are buying on crude oil. So watch out for this level this week on crude oil. If you're interested in trading crude oil, watch out for this level, and that level would give us an idea on whether we are selling or we are buying. And looking at how it looks like on the 1 hour chart, you might want to consider this. As well. So there you go. All right, there you go. So you might want to consider this in your analysis for crude oil as well. So you don't want to take this for granted in your crude oil analysis. So let's see how that will play out for us on crude oil. And this is also looking like this. Okay, let's just remove that. So let's watch out for this on crude oil. So let's see how this is going to play out for us on crude oil, and we're going to use that to make our decision on what we might expect next from the market. All right, so moving on to gold, let's remove this, and let's remove this as well. So this is what we have on gold. This is what we have on gold. Um, let's go to the 1 hour chart. Let's remove this as well. So I can still draw it like this. You can see that. All right, you can see that. All right, so moving on, let's check to 1 hour. Let's check the 1 hour chart. And this is something interesting you can see on the 1 hour chart. All right, so you can see how gold is looking interesting for us this week. This is an ascending triangle. An ascending triangle always indicates a buy perspective in the market. So we are expecting gold to buy, but before we can finally say we are buying, I've learned this over time, and I've learned this from experience that when you have something like this on the chart, the best thing is for you to wait for the market to break out, a clear breakout. Don't assume it's going to break out. Wait for the breakout and be sure that it has broken out. and then we can now join the market. Retesting is relative in that sense. If you're expecting a retest, it might retest, but it may not retest as much as you expect it to retest to. I'm going to do a video on market retracement. So there are sometimes the market will retrace and will not retrace to the extent in which you are expecting as a trader. And there are some times that the market will not. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry about that. So sorry about that. I just caught some cold. All right. So there are sometimes the market would retest and will not retest as much as you expect it to retest. And there are sometimes the market will not even retest at all. And there are sometimes that the market will retest and overextend the retesting. So you need to understand that retracement is always relative, and you must learn how to understand which kind of retest we should expect from the market based on the momentum you can see from the market. All right, so this is on gold. This is what I'm expecting on gold. I'll be waiting for a breakout on gold, and that would give us that would give us an idea of what we should expect on gold. Now, this is a Fibonacci retracement level on gold, and currently price is at 38.2% level. Currently, price is at 38.2% level, and that is a confluence. That is a confluence. Now, if price is unable to break this 38.2% level, we would have a continuous descent. That means we are going to have continuation in the selling momentum. However, if price is able to break above this 38.2% retracement, then we are definitely going to have a continuation. Then definitely going to have a bullish momentum play out in the market. Now, this may not really work out like that on gold, but from all indications, we can see that gold is still looking bullish in the market. So I'm still bullish on gold, and I'll be looking out for an opportunity to buy gold. But you need to also be careful for market trap and all of that. All right, on pound NZD, basically there's nothing much you should expect on pound NZD. Price is still within this area. But if we go down to the 1 hour chart, there's something that we might be able to pick out from there, which is this. We can pick this out from pound NZD. So this is like more like a falling flag, more like a falling flag. All right, and that means we might be expecting a bullish momentum on pound NZD. Now, if this area starts buying, I would like to see this area also. I would like to see price close above this area as well before I confirm that we are going to be buying pound NZD. So that is what I'm expecting on pound NZD, and it's looking bullish as well. So pound AUD is also bullish. Of course, it has closed above this resistance level. Let me remove all of these lines so that we can have a clearer view of the market. All right, price has closed above this level already on pound NZD, and thereabouts it is still above the resistance. Yeah, so let's come down to 1 hour chart. If we come down to the 1 hour chart, we can have something like this, something similar to what we have on pound NZD, something similar to what we have on pound NZD, but it's not looking perfect in that sense. So let's just see what we have here on pound AUD. Pound AUD. As far as I'm concerned on pound AUD, as long as price stays above this level, we are still bullish on pound AUD. So pound AUD is bullish, and I'm very much bullish on pound AUD. I'll just look for an opportunity to also get in and buy. Now, opportunity to buy might require a higher level of carefulness because the market is not looking as though it's giving us a clue yet. All we know is that it is bullish, but we need a clue on how to enter. So we are going to come back to check up on that for pound AUD. Now on pound USD, price still looks like it's below this resistance level. However, there is this level that is also looking interesting for us, which is this level. This is a support level, and price seems as though it is trapped within this level. It seems as though price is trapped within this level. So let's see how pound USD would play out around here. So basically, I'm just going to be expecting a break above this level, and not just a break above this level alone, but I will need price to break above this level as well. This higher level it has created for us here, I would need price to close above it before I can confirm that I'll be buying pound USD. So let me just remove this one and let's work with this levels. Let's work with this levels. So basically, I'm going to watch how pound USD plays out around here, and this level is where I'm looking out for. If it breaks above this level, we might have an opportunity to buy. But you can still take the risk of buying from around here. If you can buy from around here up to this level and this level, you can actually maximize your profit in that sense. But for me, if I'm going to be joining that at all, I would like to see a retest. I would like to see a retest around here or thereabout. So if I'm able to see a retest around this level, if I'm able to see a retest around this level, then I might actually buy as well up to this level. So that is that on pound USD. Yeah, let's check something very quickly on pound USD. All right. So nothing much per se. So let us move on. On pound JPY, let me remove this once again so we can have something like this on pound JPY, something similar to pound USD. We can have something like this. Can have something like this. Yeah. So, like I said, it's something similar to pound USD. So, I'll be looking out to this resistance level. So, let's check out something here. All right. So, just like we have on pound USD, if I'm going to join the buy, I would like to see a retest around here. So this area is looking like a confluence. So if price comes back to this level and stays above this level, then we might have an opportunity to buy up to that level. So that's that on pound JPY. If you are interested in pound JPY, I just did that for you. That's an opportunity for us on pound JPY. Now on CAD JPY, I mentioned it last week of a potential sell from there, and it sold. So we have that played out already. Now, what should we expect on pound JPY? What should we expect on pound JPY? For me, I'm going to look out for, this is a double bottom here, and we have it retested the neckline already. So the neckline has been retested. This is a double bottom here. You can see the double bottom. You can see the double bottom. You can see that price has retested the neckline. Price has retested the neckline. So if I'm looking at trading CAD JPY, I'll be looking at an opportunity. I'll be looking at an opportunity above this level. I'll be looking at an opportunity above this level. So as long as price is within this area, I'm just going to keep watching CAD JPY. But the moment we have above this level on CAD JPY, we have a potential buy opportunity for us on CAD JPY. So for CAD JPY, I'm going to focus on the 1 hour chart. I'm going to focus on the 1 hour chart for analysis on CAD JPY. So that is what I'm expecting on CAD JPY. So let's move on to Euro JPY. All right. Let's see what's going on the 1 hour chart as well for Euro JPY and see if we can find an opportunity on Euro JPY. Let's see this. We have this. No, that's not what I want to pick. This is what I want to pick. We have this and this on Euro JPY 1 hour. That is a falling flag for you. That's a falling flag on Euro JPY already. And it is around the neckline as well. This is also a double. This is also a double bottom. If you can see that very well, that's also a double bottom. Yeah, that's also a double bottom. This is This is bottom one, and this is bottom two. And this is bottom two. So you can see that double bottom and the neckline, and price has retested the neckline. Now we are having, this is a bullish engulfing candle right around the neckline. So if the 1 hour chart closes like this, it won't be a bad idea to buy, and you would have a minimum stop loss of about 19 to, you can even have a stop loss as much as 40 pips. Yeah, and your take profits can be as high as this level. Now for us to confirm our take profit level, let's come down around there. Let's draw this Fibonacci level so we can have our take profits up to this extent or up to this extent. So that is another opportunity for us this week. CAD JPY is presenting us with one, Euro JPY has presented us with another. So we should all look out for that on today's market. For CHF JPY, this is a bullish engulfing candle that formed there on Friday, and price has been unable to close below this bullish engulfing. Now let's go to the 1 hour chart. What do we have here? This is still the lowest region last week, and if price is unable to come back to this level, we may never have price come back to this level. So we might keep having continuation in the bullish move in the market for CHF JPY. So for now on CHF JPY, I'm just going to sit back and watch out what the market would form. I can't identify anything from the market at the moment. It's all looking, it's just all consolidating. So let's just move on. Let's not waste too much time on that. So Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD. All right, for Euro USD, let's check 1 hour. All right, we already have a bullish engulfing on the 1 hour chart. Apart from the bullish engulfing on the 1 hour chart, there's nothing else looking interesting on Euro USD. Apart from the fact that we have this level, and we have this level. So it's accumulated here, came down, accumulated here. Is it coming down now or is going up? We don't know. So let's see what's going to happen on Euro USD. I have a perspective on Euro USD, but before I say anything, I might not say anything on Euro USD up until Wednesday. I want to see what's going to happen on Wednesday. So in my Wednesday video, I might talk more on Euro USD. We should have a better perspective for that. USD CHF is still within this area as well. So let's remove all of this and let's have a clearer perspective. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. All right, looking at the 1 hour chart on Euro CHF, we have this and this. Now this is what we have on Euro CHF. This is a rising flag on Euro CHF, and we have a bearish engulfing candle. So that means we are expecting a sell on USD CHF. That means we are expecting a weakening of the dollar. That is why we saw a bullish gold. And remember I said I have a perspective on Euro USD already. The perspective is a bullish Euro USD, but I couldn't see something that could explain that logically on the chart. But seeing this on USD CHF, I'm able to say that USD is looking weak, but let's see how far it would go. Let's see how far it will go. But on USD CHF, we have a bearish flag. That's a rising flag, which is indicating a sell. So let's see how that would play out. If you are interested in risking this, trade at your own risk and be careful with your risk as well. So I'm going to give more close-up follow-up on my premium signal for those who subscribe to my channel. They will enjoy more of my real-time trading. So for USD CAD, we are definitely going to have a descent down to that level. We are definitely going to have a descent down to that level for USD CAD. Definitely, we are going to have a descent to that level for USD CAD. So let's see how soon this will play out, and let's wait for that to play out as well. So moving on to NZD CAD, And it's still all looking ranging. There is nothing interesting playing out on NZD card apart from something like this that we have here. Yeah, apart from this. So this is still showing us an ascending triangle, which also indicates a bullish market. So let's just see how this is going to play out on NZD card, and we're going to come back and decide on whether we are buying or we are selling. This is a bullish engulfing candle. You can risk it to buy up to this level for just 30 pips, and your stop loss will not be more than 15 pips as well. So you can risk that if you want. AUD USD is forming a rising flag. Can you see that rising flag? Let me draw it out for you. I could see it from the 4-hour charts, and this is the rising flag that NZ AUD USD is forming for us, which is also indicating a sell. Can you see that? Is indicating a sell. So this is what I expect AUD USD to do for us this week. A, X, A, B, C, and D. So that's what I expect AUD to do for us this week. And I'm going to, let's see how this will play out by Wednesday. We could have this play down by Wednesday, and by Wednesday we have it back up to this level. So let's just see how that would play out on AUD USD. So I'm going to leave that for us to watch and for us to follow. USD JPY. This is still possible. Yeah, it's still possible because if you go to the 1-hour chart, we have a rising flag. We have a rising flag here. You can see that. You can see that on 1-hour chart. So coming down to this, you can definitely have this play out on USD JPY as well. So let's see how that is going to play out as well on USD JPY. On Euro card, now price broke below this support, went back above the support, and now it has bounced. It has come down to the support again, and it is bouncing from the support. So let's see if this support is going to hold. If it's going to hold, then it will make sense for us to join and buy up to that extent while minimizing our risk as well. Now let's check the Fibonacci retracement for this. So we can see this area is the 50% level for Euro card. So we might have NZD card, sorry, Euro card play up to this level. We might have that happen on Euro card. So on pound CHF, which is where we are going to almost round off for today, apart from that's after we have checked Euro AUD. On pound CHF, this is what we still have on pound CHF. Let me remove this. Let's have something clearer and something cleaner. Yeah, this is much more clean. This is cleaner. Yeah, this is cleaner for pound CHF. All right, we have that. All right, we have this on pound CHF. So you can see this is within an horizontal channel already. So let's just see how this is going to play out for us on pound CHF. And the market is looking interesting this week. Euro AUD did this for us last week. X, A, B, C, and D. So what should we expect is this. We should expect a retracement up to this level. So, and funny enough, that level is also a key level you need to watch. Yeah, it's a key level you need to watch. So you can see that. So let's remove that. You can see it's a support here, resistance here, resistance here. Now it's definitely going to sell down to this level. Now, if I want to sell Euro AUD, where would I sell? How would I sell? I would simply want to see how the market plays out. This could be one. This could be one. This could be one checklist for us to look out for. Let's remove this since we know it's going to sell. It has completed our pattern already. So this is one area. Definitely may not come up to this level, but let's identify that level. Now it is within this area, but I'm expecting it to I'm expecting a sell. I'm expecting a sell, yeah. But let's see how that sell is going to play out. So as far as this is still ongoing, we need the market to give us, and this is a bearish engulfing candle. Now let's check something. This is a bearish engulfing candle. Let's look at this. If you look at this closely, now this is a 50% Fibonacci retracement, and if price is unable to close above the 61.8, I might just sell from that level. So I'm going to keep a close watch on Euro AUD, and it's, of course, I want to sell. I want to sell Euro AUD up to this level. So that will be all for this week analysis. I'm going to keep posting the updates on my general channel, on my on my premium channel as well. So I launched my affiliate partnership scheme this morning, or yesterday night rather. So this week I'm going to dedicate this week's Friday video to how you can maximize, how you can make more sales, and how you can make a lot of extra income from my platform as an affiliate partner. So watch out for my Friday video. But before Friday, I'm going to keep posting on the affiliate partnership group, WhatsApp group. So I'm going to drop the link for the affiliate partnership group in the comment section below. So you can just join the WhatsApp group if you're not on the WhatsApp group already. And I'm going to keep dropping updates for you on that group. And by Friday, I'm going to dedicate a video to explain how you can get started and how you can make more extra income from this platform. 40% commission is what I'm offering as my affiliate partner scheme. So you get 40% commission on every sale you make on my platform. All right, so 40% is a fair deal as far as I'm concerned. It's a lot of percentage, of course, close to half the sales. You are not profit sales. So watch out for my Friday video and you'll get more from me as well. So take advantage of this week's video, trade better, trade carefully, and increase your earnings. I celebrate you so much and have a lovely week.